Today I'm going to show you a design I used to help me cover this hole. So I bought this type of access panel and I like it because it has a frame and you can stick a screwdriver in there and pull it out. And the frame is held in with this sheet lock. That's what they call it, registered trademark. That has these little metal tabs that you put in the frame and bend it around the drywall. And that's a little bit better than this type, where this type has some sort of spring in there. And I mean, it works, but when you pull it off, you've got the bare drywall and these springs, they don't really want to move sometimes, and it's hard to get back in there. So I thought it'd be nice to have one where you can just stick the panel back on, set the frame, and then you just use a screwdriver to pop it back out. So the problem I have is that I can bend these around the drywall on 3 of these, but then over here, there's a piece of wood. And so it wouldn't be able to bend around that. That's how far it sticks out. So what I've done, here's what the original one looks like. It just has a little bit of a bump there. And then this slot is so that it can bend really easily. I don't know what the hole is for, but it might be so that you can put a screw in there into the wood. But in my case, that screw, that hole sticks out a little too far. So I've designed one that has a bigger hole a little further in. So let me stick that in here and stick that one in here. Bend that one, and that one. And you might think, I don't need to do anything with this, but it's a little insecure. So I'm going to put a screw in there. And there it is. Nice and secure. And yeah, that's actually the first thing that I ever designed for 3D printing. And it was a great first thing to design because it was so easy.